Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamala and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL joins. A join class is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. And we have different types of joins like inner join, left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. So whereas inner join will return the records which are matching between tables, whereas left outer join will return all the columns, whereas a single column from a table and the matching record from the right table, whereas right outer join will return all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table, and whereas full outer join will record all the records when there is a match in either left table or a right table. Let's go to the SQL server and verify the same. So here I already created two tables. Let me run this. So these are the two tables. Now what I'll do, I'll select name, comma, salary from employee table and department head from the department table. From employee table join, you are joining, so we need to join department on, we need to give the matching columns. So what employee